Don't throw away your toilet roll or kitchen roll. Turn them into this. Mini Easter hats that hold chocolate eggs. Cute, easy and perfect for Easter decorating. First you will need some yarn. I'm using yellow for a chick and grey for a rabbit. A pom-pom for the rabbit tail, googly eyes for the animals, and felt in the colours grey, pink, white and orange. You will also need some toilet roll or kitchen roll, PVA glue or tacky glue, a pair of scissors and an optional pen. To start, we need to cut up the cardboard roll into smaller pieces. I usually make this about 1 to 2 centimetres in width. We now need to cut the yarn lengths. To do this, you could cut them individually at about 20 to 30 centimetres, but I think it's much quicker if you use a book. We're going to take the yarn and wrap it around the centre of the book many times. Once we've done this, we're going to cut through all of those yarn lengths down the centre of the book. That should leave us lots of yarn strands all at the same size. Now we need to attach it to the cardboard roll. To do this, we need to use a reverse lark's head knot. We're going to take one of our lengths and fold it in half. We're going to slide it in the centre of the toilet roll, and then we're going to bring that fold to the front. We're then going to pop our fingers through the hole and grab the 2 loose lengths and pull them through. And this will tighten up our knot. We're going to repeat this with all of our strands to cover the cardboard roll. As you can see here, I've done one roll in the yellow, this will be for the chick, and the other roll I've done in the grey yarn for the rabbit. The next step is to push the strands through to the other side. Now we need to cut one more length of yarn. I usually measure this at about 40 or 50 centimetres. We're going to use this to hang our characters up. Fold the length in half and wrap it around all of those loose strands. Then tie a tight double knot. This is going to create a little bobble hat effect. Repeat the same thing for the rabbit. Once we've done this, we need to trim down all of the excess yarn. Please be careful not to cut the hanging. Now's the time to add eyes onto our characters. I've used some tacky glue to stick down some googly eyes onto the front of the roll. For the next step, we need to create the facial features. For the chick, I need to make a simple triangular beak. You will need some orange felt, a pair of scissors, and an optional pen if you'd rather draw this out first. I cut out a small triangle for the beak. Using your PVA or tacky glue, we're going to stick this beak down just below the eyes. Now for the rabbit, you will need some felt in different colours. I'm using grey, pink and white. I first start off by making 2 long pointy ears using the grey felt. I then do the same thing with the pink felt, but just slightly smaller, so it's the inside of the bunny's ears. For the bunny nose, I've cut out a small rectangle of white, and then on top of that, I've cut out a small heart shape in pink felt. We now have to glue these elements together. I stick the pink felt on top of the grey bunny ears. For the nose, I stick the pink heart onto the white rectangle, and then I stick both these ears just above the googly eyes. I glue the nose down just below the googly eyes. You could play around with the different shapes, or you could even add little teeth to the bunny. Lastly, for extra detail, I like to add in a little fluffy tail for the bunny. So I take one of the pom-poms and I stick that onto the back of the bunny. And there you've got a tiny hat. And our little Easter animals are now complete. We have a chick and a bunny. And the best part, it holds a chocolate egg. This is perfect for Easter gifts, table decor, or keeping the kids busy. Would you try this? Save this for Easter.